Foam rolling is a technique that is becoming increasingly popular among athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and people who are looking to improve their overall health and well-being. It is a self-myofascial release technique that uses a foam roller to apply pressure to specific areas of the body to release muscle tightness, improve flexibility, and reduce soreness. Hello, and welcome to the Healthy Dad YouTube channel. In today's video, we will tell you the benefits of foam rolling and how to do it correctly. Benefits of foam rolling. 1. Increases flexibility. Foam rolling helps to increase flexibility by breaking down adhesions and scar tissue that can cause muscle stiffness and restrict range of motion. By using a foam roller on a regular basis, you can improve your flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. 2. Reduces muscle soreness. Foam rolling is an effective way to reduce muscle soreness after exercise. By applying pressure to the muscles, you can increase blood flow and oxygen to the area, which can help to reduce inflammation and soreness. 3. Improves range of motion. Foam rolling can help to improve your range of motion by increasing the elasticity of the muscles and improving joint mobility. By releasing tension in the muscles, you can achieve a greater range of motion and perform exercises with better form and technique. 4. Increases blood flow. Foam rolling helps to increase blood flow to the muscles, which can improve nutrient delivery and waste removal. This can help to reduce inflammation and promote faster recovery after exercise. 5. Reduces the risk of injury. By improving flexibility, range of motion, and reducing muscle soreness, foam rolling can help to reduce the risk of injury. It can also help to prevent the formation of scar tissue and adhesions, which can lead to muscle imbalances and compensations. 6. Improves posture. Foam rolling can help improve posture by reducing muscle tension and tightness that can contribute to poor alignment. By releasing tension in muscles like the chest, shoulders, and upper back, foam rolling can help to promote a more upright posture and reduce the risk of developing postural imbalances. 7. Enhances performance. Foam rolling can enhance athletic performance by increasing range of motion and flexibility, improving blood flow, and reducing muscle soreness. By preparing the body for exercise, foam rolling can help to improve overall performance and reduce the risk of injury. 1. Choose the right foam roller. There are many different types of foam rollers available, so it is important to choose the right one for your needs. If you are new to foam rolling, start with a softer roller and gradually work your way up to a firmer one. A softer roller will provide less pressure, while a firmer roller will provide more intense pressure. 2. Target the right muscles. Foam rolling is most effective when you target the right muscles. If you are experiencing muscle soreness or tightness, focus on the areas that are causing discomfort. You can also use foam rolling as a preventative measure by targeting the muscles that are commonly tight, such as the glutes, hamstrings, and calves. 3. Apply pressure gradually. When foam rolling, it is important to apply pressure gradually. Start with light pressure and gradually increase the pressure as your muscles become more accustomed to the sensation. If you experience any pain or discomfort, stop immediately. 4. Roll slowly. When foam rolling, roll slowly over the targeted muscle. Roll back and forth over the area, spending 30 to 60 seconds on each spot. You can also hold the foam roller on a particular spot for a few seconds to increase pressure. 5. Breathe. It is important to breathe deeply and evenly when foam rolling. This can help to relax the muscles and increase the effectiveness of the technique. Take deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. 6. Use proper form. Maintain proper form when foam rolling. Keep your core engaged and maintain good posture throughout the movement.